Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching ForuTech. CyberOS Android 12 base ROM is one of the best custom ROM for OnePlus 6. But on 18th May I created the video saying it's the last build for this ROM because developer Danny SPB announced that he got broken screen of his device. Now he will not create any bits. But suddenly on 27th May we got the new update for this beast CyberOS. So hope is still there because we got the new build, so in the future we will again get the more updates. Though there is no confirmation by the developer will he maintain the ROM or not. But thanks to the Danny SPB Bleenoff for raising our hopes by this build. So today in this video I will show you what's new in this build, its performance and the features. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I will not show the flashing of the ROM, it's the same as shown in the right side iCard video. Just download the ROM zip file, remove the pins and the password in the phone, boot to the TWRP, flash the ROM, then install the TWRP, then format data and reboot. But if you are already on the CyberOS, then you will get the notification of this update via inbuilt OTA. Download it and flash. So here all the things are done. I clean flashed the ROM via TWRP, rebooted and completed the setup. First thing, as we always do, let's jump to the about phone. Most of the things are similar in this build as compared to the old build. We gets the same Android 12 Easter egg for this Android 12L based custom ROM. This is the same 5.4 CyberOS version. Security patches for the latest 5th May 2022 because latest June security patches are yet to come. So the biggest change in this new update is the kernel. It's now 4.9.316 built with the latest Google Client toolchain. Kernel is merged with the LineageOS sources, so we get the most stability and the performance in this new kernel based update. This build is prepared on 27th May 2022. So let's see what new changes we can get in this new build. There are very few changes. One is the new game space. In the latest build they removed the old stock and the Xiaomi Mi 11 based game modes and added the new game space. It's available under the CyberOS setting and also found under the app section. It has a toggle to enable or disable the heads up notifications. You can change the ringer mode to the fixed settings like the silent, vibrate and the normal whenever you enable the game mode. It has the different toggles like blocking the full screen events of the incoming calls. Some other toggles like disabling the automatic brightness, disabling swipe to screenshot and keep the phone screen awake when you are using the game mode. All these features are available for the seamless gaming to avoid the interruptions while playing. But here we need to manually add the games in the game mode. It doesn't detect the game automatically because it didn't have the dynamic mode. Now when you place the game, you get the small floating overlay. When you tap on it, you get the gear icon which has some game space setting. Second, we get the screenshot button and third is the screen recording. In the game space setting, now we have the performance mode like the standard, balance and the performance. Surprisingly here we get the constant 60 FPS setting with the small overlay display of FPS. It also has stay to wake option to keep the screen always on while playing. And at the last there is the heads up enabling and disabling option. I especially like the performance and the screen FPS setting which will help to improve the gaming responsiveness with the performance which is must for the high-end games like the BGMI, Genshin Impact, Modern Combat, etc. I am not the gamer but I played the BGMI and it's working very good without too much frame drops. Next change you will find in the Google search bar. Google search bar now located at the bottom on the home screen and it has the new lens icon embedded inside. So we can search the details for any items using the camera search or by using the picture search. ROM now comes with the new theme icon which can be enabled via the wallpapers and the style application setting. In the old ROM, Dolby Atmos setting was not working. We didn't get any pre-install setting or the manual option, but now it's available again. We get the bunch of the presets and you can use the custom setting to change the quality also. All the special features like the recent grids and the taskbar is present in this build, but in the last build when you enable the taskbar you may feel some lag in the user interface which was now solved in this build. Even after enabling the taskbar, app opening and the switching feels smooth. But still if you feel the glitches then disable the taskbar via launcher home setting. Let's do the performance test for this new build. When I ran the Geekbench test, I got 476 for the single core and 1854 for the multi-core. I have seen that from the first build to this build, these results are almost same every time, so no manual tweaking by the developers for showing the better results. Everything is original. ROM feels buttery smooth, no issues in the performance. While on the Geekbench test for the OpenGL drivers, I got 2267 which was above the average results. which directly improves the gaming performance. If you check the safety net, it's also got successfully passed, but DRM info showing the security level on L3, so no more HD content for the Netflix and Amazon Prime until now. ROM is still not Tata encrypted, which may feel issue for someone who wants the encrypted ROMs. Except these no issues I found in the ROM. It has good performance, better battery life, fully loaded features and fully working OnePlus camera application. I am so glad that our topmost contender is still in the list at the top this time also. This is all about the new update. If you think I helped you, please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.